I set out to make a farm gate into a rolling cedar gate. Did I succeed? I think I did. This is me attaching the rolling trolley. Originally, I only had planned on one, but in the end used two. This is me cutting out the supports in the middle to make it so the gate can roll. This is slightly controversial, but we are going to add structural support from the backside. These are the hardware I'm using. They're chain link rollers and then an additional trolley. And the chain link rollers are going to be hidden. Normally you would see like galvanized bars, which the rollers roll on that are attached to the gate. I'm installing mine backwards, and so everything's going to be hidden, which I'm rather proud of. This is me installing the second trolley. Because of my design, there was a chance of a pivot point, and there is one, so this just gives better rolling. This is me installing the offset. So these brackets provide enough offset to allow the chain link rollers to roll. And then I will attach the wood to that, and then I will attach the cedar to that wood.
Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you. With some...
You can't really see it in the video, but I'm using 2x4 hangers. Oh man, yeah, you can never test the roll too much. It's so satisfying. It does want to walk a little bit downhill, so you kind of do have to move it back into position. This is me realizing that that was a pretty long span, so I went ahead and put in some center bracing. Now I'm using my laser level to find the plane at which I need to install my man gate.
To have a friend like you.
Believe it or not, it took me 3 attempts to find the right width on this man gate. It's always surprising what ends up being challenging when it shouldn't be. But, you know, it's the reality.
Downright cruel. Yeah. Life is up and it's down. Oh, it's all love. That's how you remind me. Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you.
And you can never test the roll too much. This by far was the hardest. There's so many different planes to be working with here. And normally I have a cheater bar or a cheater piece of wood that I put up at top. It really gives you a really nice crisp top line. I had to go back to old school methods because I didn't buy enough material at Home Depot to make one. So I'm using a string level. Doesn't give you as crisp of a top edge, but it worked out just fine.
There are times when I wanna be lonely. There are times when life can be.
And there it is. A rolling cedar gate made out of a farm gate. I'm really pleased with it. If you like this video or enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh, that it's good to have a friend like you.